make videos here on iDog all about
And now, we're back to cooking with grandson.
We got some relish, some sweet relish. We got some American cheese slices. And of course, with a lot of my recipes here, Greek yogurt. And we also have an onion. This is part of an onion. All right, so we're gonna be making some dirty fries today. So we're gonna start off by cutting the potato. But I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some salt on these fries. And if you want, go ahead, you can add some black pepper. And now, we're just gonna go ahead and put the fries on the bacon cheese. So while we wait for the fries, I'm gonna go ahead and make the sauce. And of course, I'm gonna start the sauce off with some non-fat yogurt. So I'll just go ahead and put 2 scoops. And now we're gonna go ahead and put about a scoop of sweet relish. We're gonna drizzle in some ketchup. We're gonna go ahead and season this with salt and pepper. And last but not least, we're gonna add just a dash, sprinkle even. Yeah!
With glasses.
Not you.
You're playing, you
of
better
course
not
you
mess up
can't.
cooking
See
with
you all the way
grandson.
down over there. I'm gonna use 90% lean, 10% fat ground beef. What we're gonna do is just make a beef patty and chop it up. And once everything is done, go ahead and dump the onions and burgers into the sauce like so. Now it's very important while it's hot to quickly get the American cheese slice. Go ahead and mix it. That looks extremely unhealthy. But guess what? Mostly protein. This is what they look like. Dirty, yet so clean. Anyways, let's go ahead and give these fries a try. Oh, I think I'm having a heart attack. Wait, hold up. I'm not having a heart attack. Now, these will be the best dirty, clean fries, anabolic fries that you'll ever taste. If you want more recipes like this, you subscribe. Because you'll be able to eat like this every day and lose weight. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.